Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a beginner eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. If you struggle with deep set, aging, mature eyes and you're kind of not knowing how to place your eyeshadows, where to put the depth, where to put the brightness, this video is for you. I will help you out, guide you through it. It is so simple. You will only need 3 shadows and you can create this everyday neutral eyeshadow look that is going to enhance the look of your deep set eyes rather than make them look more deep set. So if you guys are interested in that and want to check it out, just keep watching. Also, if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and hit that notification bell to let you know when I'm creating more content. That would help my channel out so very much. So thank you ahead of time if you do that. And let's get into the eyeshadow look. All right, this eye look is going to be simple. It's going to be for beginners. If you are struggling with your deep set eyes and eyeshadow placement, this video is going to help you out so much. So what I need from you is to pick out 3 shades, neutral shades, a warm, medium tone, a light tone, and then a darker neutral. So I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario palette. You can see that I have a lot of brow bone space. Some deep set eyes have a stronger lid space with a smaller brow bone, and you don't really need to worry too much about receding this brow bone as much as someone who has a really bright, large brow bone area. So we are going to try to pop our lids, come forward. We are going to neutralize the brow bone a little bit and just kind of balance out where we have the depth here on the outer corner. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, any soft fluffy brush that you like using, and then I'm going to go in with the shade M7, which is a warm medium neutral tone. This is a matte tone, and I am going to just start by kind of blending this all over my eye. So we just want to have like a blank canvas of neutral tone. And that is just instantly, you see that the brow bone is softened. Everything is cohesive. This is kind of neutralizing the depth of the crease as well. The warm tones help offset the cool tones on the lid. Now I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush. This one is not as dense as the round one that I used. This one is a lot fluffier, so it's going to pick up less pigment, and that's what I want with the deeper tone. So I'm just going to go in with the dark chocolate brown. I might go in with something lighter on a day-to-day basis, but because the video I want to pick up the tone and the pigment, I'm going to go in with something a little darker. So I'm going to kind of try to match up where that depth is on the inner part of my eye. So we're just going to blend that on the outer corner and the outer brow bone. You can just kind of soften that along just to buff it out. You can go in the outer crease and on the lid as well. And that just kind of lifts the eye a little bit and just balances out the depth right there. Putting that depth and darker tone there kind of also neutralizes the look of a downturn eye as well. Kind of just cuts off the brightness right there, and we're getting more lift. Now I'm going to take a flat brush, flat rounded brush, and I'm going to go in with the lightest shade here. Again, on a daily basis, I might use something a little bit more softer, but because I want it to pop on video, I am going to use the lightest shade, and we are going to go into, you can see this part right here. You can see if my eye had a little bit more fat there, like the fat loss has kind of sunken this in, that my lid would be a part of that. So I'm just going to brighten that area. And that is making the lid look bigger, and it's also neutralizing the depth right there where the eye is most kind of deep set. And you could also do this with a bright concealer if you didn't want to wear eyeshadow, or you just wanted to wear kind of one shade of eyeshadow. You could just do that with some concealer, and then might even go back in with this tone and kind of blend that through. Put on some mascara. It focused more of the mascara on the outer part of my eye and left the really inside part without any mascara, just so there is more brightness there. You can even go in with some black eyeliner and just tightline the outer corner of your eye just to give a little bit more fullness to the lash line, but also bringing more depth to that outer corner. All right, this is the final look. Thank you guys for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful, if these are some of the tricks and tips that you use for your eyes as well. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.